In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Grammarly to Google Docs 2025. Full guide. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can get Grammarly working inside Google Docs in just a few minutes. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search box, type Grammarly extension for Chrome and press enter. You're looking for the official listing in the Chrome Web Store. It should clearly say it's offered by Grammarly and show good reviews. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you install the genuine tool. Click the Chrome Web Store result to open the extension page. On that page, you'll see the button to add it to your browser. If you already have Grammarly installed, it will say it's added. If not, click Add to Chrome and then confirm by selecting Add Extension in the pop-up. Your browser will download the extension and enable it. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message. That's all you need to get Grammarly ready for use with Docs. Now, let's move into Google Docs. Open a new tab and go to Google Docs. If you're on the Docs homepage, start a new document by selecting the blank option, often shown as a big plus sign. This gives you a clean workspace to test Grammarly right away. Type a few sentences or paste some text into your document. As you write, Grammarly works in the background. Within a moment, you should start seeing underlines where the extension detects potential issues. Typically, red underlines flag spelling mistakes, while other colors highlight grammar, punctuation, or clarity suggestions. This visual feedback is your cue that Grammarly is active and monitoring your writing. Look for the small Grammarly icon in the corner of the text area. Clicking this icon opens a panel where you can review suggestions in more detail. You'll see a short explanation for each recommendation, so you understand not just what to change, but why it helps. You can accept a suggestion with a click, or ignore it if it doesn't fit your style. Some advanced suggestions may be part of Grammarly's premium features, but the free version still provides solid spelling and grammar support for everyday writing. That's it. You searched for the Grammarly extension, installed it from the Chrome Web Store, opened Google Docs, started a new document, and confirmed it's working by checking the underlines and the Grammarly icon. With this setup, your writing in Google Docs becomes clearer, cleaner, and more professional, automatically,